If you're looking for something new to sip on, how about non-alcoholic beer?
Derek Selhausen from the Athletic Brewing Company is here showing us some beers that are non-alcoholic and also helping you meet your fitness goals, because a lot of them are low in calories, but you promise they taste good.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're Athletic Brewing Company. We are the only brewery and tap room in the country dedicated to just non-alcoholic beers.
You have no alcoholic beers in the place?
Nope, just non-alcoholic beers. We're located right here in Stratford, Connecticut, and we're really just a group of individuals who enjoy great beer lovers, but also like living healthy, active lifestyles and want a beer and drink a beer that match those values.
So that's excellent.
And it doesn't mean that you're not going to have a real alcoholic beer sometimes, but it might be, you said, for one day, or a lot of people are doing the dry January, they miss having a beer. This is a solution. So tell me about this one right here.
Yeah, exactly. So that's our Run Wild IPA, our most popular, fully flavored IPA. You're going to get the same great hoppy, malty notes as a regular beer.
No alcohol.
Just with low calorie and no alcohol.
Can I open it?
Absolutely. Pour yourself a glass.
So this is 70 calories, and you have one.
Oh, there's the sound of magic.
I'll open one too.
Some of these are 50 calories, which you said is about half of a light beer.
Yep. Our lightest beer is our Golden Ale, only 50 calories a can. So you're talking about less than half the calories of even the lightest beers out there.
You know what I think is awesome as well is that if you're at a party and people are like, have a drink, have a drink, have a drink. You know what? Sometimes you feel pressured into having a drink when you don't want to really have a drink. And this way, it looks like you're having a drink.
Absolutely. So
it tastes totally like real beer. Like, you know, everyone's into the craft beers now with a lot of flavor, and that totally has that. Totally. If you gave that to me, I wouldn't know it wasn't a real beer.
Yeah, no, I would absolutely have no idea.
People say, you know, why non-alcoholic beer? What's the point? You know, if it doesn't have alcohol in it, and trust me, we hear that all. But
it's like decaf coffee. Sometimes you want coffee. I love the flavor of coffee, but if I can't have it late at night because I won't be able to sleep, so I'll still have decaf.
Exactly. For those that are skeptical, we would first say, one, try it. You know, come to our tap room in Stratford, experience it for yourself, and see what we're all about. And another cool challenge is that grab your favorite craft beer, grab some friends, and do a taste test. Compare it versus regular craft beers. And I guarantee you it's harder than it looks to pick out ours.
What's the spread of food here, Derek? I mean, you've brought some unbelievable food items, too.
Yeah.
Some pairing suggestions?
Yeah, so all these dishes we made here, healthy options that you can make any time of a weeknight, made all with our beer.
All right,
they're made with your beer.
That's right.
How clever.
Is that a veggie? That looks like a quinoa burger, is it?
Yep, so we have our quinoa burger. So we make it with our Run Wild IPA here. The hoppy notes we simmer with the quinoa, and then add it to a veggie patty, and it goes nicely with all those flavors in there.
Wow, a quinoa burger. That looks delicious.
I know, that does look good.
This looks decadent.
I mean, grilled cheese.
So we're all doing our New Year's resolutions now, but a little decadent, indulgent dish that you can make with our beer is a double cheese, double hop grilled cheese. So double the cheese, double the hop. And you get to make it all with our beer.
Well, and again, these recipes, we're going to give the website in a little bit, but you're going to have the recipes online so people could make them.
We'll have all these ingredients and recipes on our website.
I don't know how athletic I'm going to be feeling after I down the grilled cheese, but let's keep moving on.
Yeah.
Brussels sprouts, and are those dumplings?
Yep, these are gyoza dumplings. We make these with our also our Golden Ale here to give it a nice glaze and a nice touch with the steam.
Beer. I think it's just, and in the broccoli and the Brussels sprouts as well.
Yeah, there's nothing better than cooking with beer, at least in my opinion, but might as well add it and drink it as well.
Yeah, and how does it go into the brownies? It's in the brownies as well?
Yep, so the brownies we make with our darkest beer are all-out stout. So the richness, it's our richest beer. It makes it's with coffee notes, chocolatey notes, adds a nice balance to the sweetness.
Carrie, you want to try one of these?
I mean, of course,
you
a little nibble. I mean,
it's non-alcoholic.
I mean, these look really decadent, these rich brownies here. A lot of chocolate.
Yeah. No, these are excellent. And these are just good dishes that you can have anytime. And, you know, a second thing I would say is that,
really good.
You know, regular craft beer is great, and there's plenty of occasions for that. But we think with ours, not every occasion is good for regular craft beer. Say, let me paint a picture.
We're out of time.
We're out of time, but we want everyone to know you can learn more about the Athletic Brewing non-alcoholic brews at athleticbrewing.com, and they have them in stores too. Well, breweries right in Stratford. Have a great day, everyone.